So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a flowchart with Chatgpt. So to do this is really simple. Here we have Chatgpt 3.5, so let's just make a prompt. So make me a latex coding of a flowchart of how dinosaurs evolved. So this is going to be our base model for our own flowchart later on. So as you can see, it's going to make a latex coding of how dinosaurs went extinct, or I mean how they evolved. So once we have went and do that, all you have to do is go to latex, sign up. It's pretty simple, just use your Google account, nothing else much more. And then from there, as you can see, we can just sign in, and then you'll have to go to your code editor. From there, we'll just have to wait for this to finish up. So here basically we're gonna paste our own code here, see in the visual editor or the code editor, and then we'll recompile it, and then we'll have it right here as a flowchart. It's just that simple. So here, let's copy the code, and then let's go to latex, let's paste it, and let's recompile it. So let's see if it will make a flowchart. And as you can see, it has made a flowchart for us. It's very simple. And there you go guys. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.